Hello, I am Mrs. Anisha Mariwala. I was suffering from Calcaneal Spur and a weakness in my bones. I just walked across and I found out about WelcomeCure, and since then I have interacted with the doctors. The team of WelcomeCure is very welcoming. It is very warm. They don't treat the patient as a patient. They are like friends to me. They've been very good to me. The medicines have really worked on me, and the nutrition, the diet plan suggested by Dr. Anisha and even by the earlier doctors have been very satisfying, very fulfilling, and I have really recovered to a great extent with the help of the doctors, and with the best of medicines that they have given me have really worked on me. And I'd like to make a special mention of Mrs. Jasmine and Dr. Anisha and the others. The whole team actually has been very cooperative, very warm, and they have always welcomed new suggestions, new medicines that they have given me, and they have really cured my illness, and now I feel much better. So I'd like to make a special mention for Thanksgiving to the entire team of WelcomeCure. Thank you so much.
You can get in touch with us by logging on to www.welcomecure.com or mail us at askme@welcomecure.com, or alternatively you can call us at 98335 98553. We would be happy to help you. Till then, take care and happy health.